if you're 10 years old like me. How to do SATs exams, boo! So to keep everybody's energy up, I'm going to make some biscuits, my favourite, Custard Creams. This is a sandwich biscuit, so I'm going to make the dough first. You'll need 222 grams of butter, 115 grams of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of milk, 340 grams of plain flour, and 125 grams of custard powder. First I'm going to add my butter and sugar together until well combined. Now let's mix. This is the right consistency. Now I'm going to add my 3 tablespoons of milk. And then I'm going to add a little bit of vanilla extract. A little bit of that. And then I'm going to mix it and then add them too. That's perfect. Now I'm going to add my flour and then my custard powder to make it taste a little bit custardy. And then mix. I'm going to do this until it forms a smooth dough. This is definitely ready. There we go. Now I need to kind of make it into a ball, and then roll it out. It smells really nice. It looks really yellow. I'm going to use a biggish, mediumish cookie cutter because I do have another bit of dough. So, first one. Done. That was good. One done. I'm going to get a tray and put non-stick proof paper on and make sure there's an equal amount because there's pairs, because they're sandwiches. Now I've got my tray, I'm going to pair them, kind of. There we go, there's one. I've made 18 tops and bottoms, and that will make 18 sandwiches. I preheated my oven to 180. Let's put them in the oven. I love the vanilla smell. Oh, this actually. They turned out amazing and I only put them in for 8 minutes. While they're cooling, I'm going to make my filling for my sandwiches. You'll need 150 grams of butter, 1 heaped tablespoon of custard powder, 300 grams of icing sugar and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. So first I'm going to put my butter in, icing sugar. Oh, that made a misty fog. Oh, it tastes like sugar. Now I'm going to mix it until it's well combined and hopefully it'll turn into a kind of liquid. It's done. I didn't think it was going to come together. It looks very dry, but now it's like a cream. You want the cream to go on the inside instead of the outside. I don't need this much, but I'm just going to add half of this. I'm going to break it out. There we go, that's one done. A lid on. Wow, that worked. It looks really yummy. But I can't eat it, not yet. Right, okay. More. For the finishing touch, sprinkle some icing sugar on. Ooh. These are my homemade, delicious custard creams. Now let's try them. Good. Bye. See you next time. Look out, Year 6s.